Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Yeah, so today I want to quickly teach you a 736 in the key of C sharp, which has a C sharp, E flat, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C, and then C sharp. So the 7 in this key, in the key of D flat, the 7 is C, the 3 is F, the 6 is A flat. Sorry, B flat. So let me show you that chord. So it's like kind of, for you are great, you do miracles so great. So or I study vantage from. Yeah. So let me give you the notes. So for 1 you have a 1 chord, whichever way you used to play that. For your 7 you have a C dominant 7 chord. That's a C, G, and B flat. On your right, you have a B flat. So this is like an upper structure over this dominant 7 chord. So we have a B major. So that's a F, B flat. Sorry, B flat major. F, B flat, and D. So F, B flat, and D. On your 3, you have something like this. Yeah, you have a F dominant 7 also, which is F, A, and E flat on your left. On your right, you have a B major now. Yeah, so B flat on the 7. You use B flat with this chord on the 7. You use a B major charge. That's a B, F sharp, B, and E flat on your 3. Then on your 6, you also have an upper structure, which is A flat, sorry, B flat on the left, and A flat. So that's like B7, B flat 7, dominant 7. So on your right you have A flat charge. So you can always play that. God bless you.